Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, November 30th. Quiet end to a quiet week. Markets finished a little bit mixed on Friday. S&P was up 2 points, 2090. The gain for the week in the S&P was 1 point. So sideways action, but not giving up any gains. Dow futures lost 1 on Friday, 17,801. The loss for the week was 25 Dow points. The Nasdaq 4682 up 5 points on Friday, down 6 on the week, with the markets going absolutely sideways and nowhere. The dollar was on the move, closing above 107, up 24 ticks, closing in on those recent 6-year highs. The euro currency at 106.02, down 17. The loss in the euro was 60 ticks on the weekly basis. Bonds were steady as well, 155.03, down 1 tick. Crude oil was moving to the downside with the dollar upward. Crude oil was down $1.30 at 41.70, but the gain for the week was $1.30. So it tried to push and make some new relative lows, but ended up positive on a weekly basis. That's something to keep an eye on. And lastly was SAD gold. SAD down another $13, 10.56. The low there was 10.52 on the session, and a weekly loss of $20 in gold, with obviously the strength in the dollar. So after the sideways holiday action, where do these markets stand on Monday morning? Well, we're getting a little bit of a bump. 2093 up 3, 2100 is the resistance up above psychologically to see if the S&P can make another push to the upside. Dow futures up 25, 17,825, and the Nasdaq 4694 up 12, within striking distance of its all-time record highs. The dollar's at 127, up another 20 ticks, pushing the euro below 106, 105.78, down 28 is where it stands right now. We've got treasuries at 155.04, down 3, holding those gains that we've seen in the last couple of weeks. So we've seen the price move up. The yield is steadily moved down, drifted lower, I would say. 301 is where we stand in the 30-year, and 224 is where we stand in the 10-year note. Crude oil is getting back some of the losses from Friday, 42.10 up 40 cents. Let's see if we can get above the 43.50 resistance where we pushed to last week before a little bit of unwinding. And lastly, gold's not going up, but it's not going down. 10.56 is where it stands, unchanged on the session. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we've got some positivity in the stock indexes, up 3 in the S&P, up 25 in the Dow, and up 12 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.